Hi, my name is Dr. Carolyn Treadon, and I am the Graduate Program Director for the Master of Arts in Counseling Art Therapy. My colleagues and I are going to give you a little introduction to our program.
Hi, I'm Dr. Lorenzo de la Pena. Traditionally, programs will have like an actual studio, but because most of our students are distance learners, that's not possible, or rather, it does not look the same. And as you can see, I'm kind of taking this opportunity to make a little bit of art myself. So using an overhead cam, I can incorporate art making into our classes.
Hi, I'm Dr. Orr, and I helped to develop the Masters of Counseling with a concentration in art therapy at Edinboro University. When I was developing the program, one of my main concerns was this concept of accessibility. My ultimate goal was to think about accessibility in every aspect of the way the program was put together. So as a result, I developed a program at a state university where the tuition costs would be lower, and I developed a program that could be done online if that was your choice.
I always get the question what online learning looks like from prospective applicants. Well, online learning looks like this, and sometimes class looks like this. Mostly, online learning looks like this. Students at Edinboro University access a variety of university services through their My Edinboro portal. Most importantly in here is how to access your courses. We use D2L or Brightspace for our online classroom management. By clicking on the D2L link, you're taken to all of the courses you're currently enrolled in. We also use Zoom as a way to stay connected with one another. Through the synchronous class sessions, we're able to see each other, talk with each other, review course material, and create.
I hope that you take the challenge of doing an online program and that we can work together throughout your education.
Thanks for taking time to check out our program. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and we can set up a time to chat.